Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Honor Magic 4 Pro Google Play Store. So in order to fix this, let's try finding Call of Duty first. As you can see, there's no real game, so to fix this we'll need to go back, click on the profile icon, move to the settings, reveal the family, parental controls, and right here click on apps and games, enter the PIN code, increase PG to at least 16, make sure to save that afterwards, go back, let's see if Call of Duty is here, and it is. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.